Do you ever see this on your phone? It's Wi-Fi and 4G showing at the same time. It usually happens when I've been out somewhere, but now I'm back at home, the phone should just be using Wi-Fi and not 4G. Is this using my data? I'm not really sure, but I don't want to take the chance that it is. So this video will show you how to turn the 4G off and just use your Wi-Fi. This phone is an Android device, a Galaxy J7, and I'm opening up settings. Then I'm going to go to connections. Then I'm going to go to airplane mode, and I'm going to turn airplane mode on. And what this will do is it will turn Wi-Fi off, as you can see at the top. Now I'm going to go back to airplane mode and I'm going to turn it off, which will automatically make your phone check for any new Wi-Fi connections and connect to it. And as we can see at the top here now, it's only connected to the Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, please check out my other videos on Jim's tips, fixes and how-to advice.